So we're just gonna skip that question because we cannot figure out.
I don't think we lied to each other, so
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Something that's currently worrying me. Your hubby's well-being.
I have this one too.
No, I'm saying that for you.
Yeah.
That's something that really worries you. Lucky my mom works at the jail he's in, so she keeps a good eye on him.
That's true.
What worries me? Currently, yes.
Why is my nose so itchy?
Something, no, my future goals. My future goals.
Become an emergency register.
That's my future career goals, yes.
And at some point become a mom.
Someday. Possibly.
That's when.
Have more kids. I know you want more kids. And then you want to start your own company.
Technically, I've already started it.
No, you want to start your company and what else do you want to marry Dustin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on, my baby auntie's coming.
Pause it.
Oh, I don't think she wants to be married. Spread her hand.
Let's go to Mama. She's not happy. She just wants to cuddle.
She wants to cuddle.
You have a good nap, baby girl. Yeah?
Pause.
It's not?
No, I didn't pause it.
Oh shit.
Let's just continue.
You want to be in the video with us?
No, I know.
Yep. Otherwise, there's no way I'm gonna be seen. Here we go. Oh, this is not working, Mom. Here we go.
Have a cookie.
Here we go. Oh, future goals. I'm just skipping through a bunch of these. What I did yesterday. What did you do yesterday? I wasn't here yesterday.
There you go. You got the cookie.
I don't know, yesterday I was out with friends getting high. I don't know what you're doing yesterday.
I was sitting at home watching movies.
That works. Who's your dad?
There's my dad.
Okay. Something I'm talented at. You're talented at singing.
What? Get what?
key.
Oh.
What am I talented at? Not much. I'm meh. Meh.
Taking big hits.
Yes, I can take big hits. That's a talent. I'll count it. My idea of a perfect date. Yours would be simple. Yours I can see it as something simple. Maybe like dinner and a movie type thing.
I don't even need that. All I need is the back of a Dodge truck with a bunch of pillows and blankets
See, that
and
sounds
sitting
nice.
under the stars.
That sounds nice.
And cuddling under the stars. That's my idea of the perfect date.
See, mine is not so simple.
You don't need to spend money.
Mine is not so simple. I like going to amusement parks and I like going on roller coasters. That's my idea of a perfect date.
Sitting over. You leave? Good girl.
Oh, fucking. Yeah, no, take me to an amusement park, and take me on roller coasters, and you're mine forever. Do I smoke or drink?
Yes, you do.
I do both. We're doing a thing on YouTube. Yeah, I smoke, I drink, I smoke pot, I do certain other things, but I'm not going into them. You don't smoke or drink.
No, but I used to smoke and I used to drink.
I've only seen her drink like a half of a Smirnoff Ice in my time. Oh, and a shot of Fireball. That's all I've seen her drink.
I was big on the drinking when I was like 17, 18 years old.
And that's good questions. So, that's it.
Is that all?
That's all, because I skipped the ones they're repeating, which were quite a few.
Oh wow, okay, this video is 3 parts.
Yeah, works for me. Alright, see you guys later.
Bye!
Bye!
Oh, wait. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will link her channel down below. And, yeah, we'll probably end up putting this on her YouTube as well.
Yeah, if you're coming here from my channel, subscribe to her. She's awesome. Alright, time to say goodbye.
Okay, bye!
You need to get the mouse on the thingy. Alright, bye.